How to custom side-back gesture icon on One UI 8.5. You can custom any icon. Remove image background. You can use Photoroom app on Play Store to remove background. Open Galaxy Store. Install Good Lock. Open Good Lock. Install NavStar plugin. Run NavStar. Enable side-back gesture icon. Default NavStar icons. Custom your icon from background. Remove image. You can import your own image to custom. Change any image. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.